10 space events you will never get to see. Part 2 video intro music host. Welcome back to Part 2. You gave us an incredible list of future events, and as promised, we're diving into them. Here are 10 more mind-blowing cosmic events that will happen long after we're gone. 1. Hops 383's T-Tauri phase. What it is? Hops 383 is a protostar, basically a baby star, just forming. The T-Tauri phase is like a star's violent toddler phase. It will blast out incredibly powerful stellar winds, clearing away the gas and dust cloud it was born from. Why we won't see it? This event is predicted to happen between 100,000 and 400,000 AD. That's hundreds of thousands of years in the future, far beyond any human lifespan. 2. The next Venus transit. What it is? This is when the planet Venus passes directly between the Sun and Earth. From here, it looks like a tiny black dot gliding across the face of the Sun. The last one was in 2012. Why we won't see it? The next one won't happen until December 2117. While this is relatively soon, it's still beyond the natural lifespan of almost everyone alive today. 3. The Betelgeuse Supernova. What it is? Betelgeuse is a giant red star in the constellation Orion. It's at the end of its life and is expected to explode in a massive supernova, which will be bright enough to see during the day on Earth. Why we won't see it? While it could happen tomorrow, the most common scientific estimates place the explosion around 100,000 AD. Will most likely be long gone before this star puts on its final show. 4. The first zombie galaxy. What it is? This term describes a truly bizarre, far future scenario. We're talking 1 quadrillion AD, that's a 1 with 15 zeros. By this point, all stars will have long since died. A zombie galaxy would be a ghostly collection of stellar remnants, black holes, neutron stars, and cold white dwarfs drifting in the eternal darkness. Why we won't see it? This time scale is almost unimaginable. It's not just humanity that will be gone. The Sun and the entire Earth will have been destroyed billions of years earlier. 5. The final total solar eclipse. What it is? A total solar eclipse happens because the Moon is just the right size and distance to perfectly block the Sun. Why we won't see it? The Moon is slowly moving away from Earth about 1.5 inches per year. In about 600 million AD, it will be too far away to ever completely cover the Sun. After that, only partial eclipses will be possible. 6. The Sun's red giant phase. What it is? This is the end of our own Sun. In about 5 billion AD, it will run out of hydrogen fuel in its core and swell into a massive red giant. Why we won't see it? The expanding Sun will become so large it will burn Earth to a crisp and likely swallow it completely. This is the ultimate end for our planet, long before which all life will have been extinguished. 7. Pluto finished its first orbit. What it is? Pluto was discovered in 1930. It takes Pluto about 248 Earth years to make one single trip around the Sun. This event marks the first time Pluto will complete a full orbit since we first found it. Why we won't see it? Pluto will finally reach its finish line in the year 2178. Just like the Venus transit, this is too far in the future for most of us to witness. 8. Transit of Mercury during a solar eclipse. What it is? An incredibly rare cosmic coincidence. This is when two events happen at once. The Moon covers the Sun, a solar eclipse, and at the exact same time, the planet Mercury passes in front of the Sun, a transit. Why we won't see it? This specific, rare alignment isn't calculated to happen until July 5, 6757 AD. That's over 4,700 years from now. 9. Gamma Cephei replaces Polaris. What it is? Polaris is our North Star because Earth's axis points directly at it. But the Earth wobbles on its axis in a 26,000-year cycle called precession. Because of this wobble, the North Star changes over time. Why we won't see it? By around 4000 AD, Earth's axis will have drifted, and the star Gamma Cephei will take over as the new North Star. This is a slow, gradual change happening over millennia. 10. Voyager 1 passes another star. What it is? The Voyager 1 space probe, launched in 1977, is traveling through interstellar space. It's currently the farthest human-made object from Earth. Why we will and see it. It will take Voyager 1 until 40,000 AD to make its first close pass of another star, Gliese 445. By then, the probe will have long since gone silent, and humanity will be 40,000 years older.